Te kai mai iwa I rata he tū atu I hikurangi mōrena I te iwi. Very sure. I was going to go with the intro.
You should have. That was a great
Oh,
intro.
yeah, it was, but it was about to start.
I was like, very shortly we're going to come back with the intro.
Sorry.
But now it's now.
Hi, everybody. Morena. I'm Luke Bird right here at E Ara E Mara.
Yes, that's
Is
right.
your
That's right. That is his name.
mic on?
Is
Oh.
my mic on, Phoenix?
Oh, no, it just sounds real.
Far away.
There we
here
are.
we are.
There we
Hello.
are.
Yes.
Morena e te iwi. It is E Ara E Mara. It is right now 7:08 in the morning. I'm Luke Bird.
Yes, that's me too. I'm here also.
I'm also Luke Bird.
There's 3 Luke Birds here this morning.
You make me
But
laugh.
you can call me anytime.
Oh, Gita. That's smooth. Very
That
smooth.
was
Yeah.
really
And that actually brings up a bit of a Kiemu.
Oh, does
I
it?
might have to add that to the wheel
Oh,
of like smooth
Pickup lines.
pickup lines.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a goer.
Let's do it like coming up in the next hour or so. We'll get people to ring in and tell us your pickup lines.
Oh,
or chuck
yeah,
it in
hard
the,
out.
chuck it
Oh,
in the
I like
live.
that.
What's your best pickup line? And then we'll hit the sexy voice button. Boom.
Oh, we
And
say
then
it.
we'll say them back to you.
I've already got my one sorted.
Yeah.
Well, with my history, I've got them all up my sleeve. Just you wait.
Yeah. 'Cause I need to use them so often.
How's everyone feeling this morning?
I'm good. I'm really good. I actually packed my stuff for yesterday.
Oh,
You know what?
Who are
It
you?
works.
Yeah.
yes.
Well, so I feel great. But I got dressed. You get dressed as like 6 o'clock or whatever. It's kind of a little bit dark still. I got dressed. I didn't realize that my shorts have a hole in them.
Where?
Right in the front.
In the crotch area.
Right in the crotch area. So if you see me walking around a bit weird, that's why I'm trying to like
Hide.
make it. Yeah,
How
trying to-
big is this hole?
It's substantial.
50-cent coin.
Nah. It's bigger.
Show us.
It's like
It's a rip.
it's like it's long.
Oh.
It's long. It's not like
Okay.
You know?
It's not circular.
it's in a hoodoo.
It's
Inoana.
a tear.
Yeah, it's a tear.
It's a
So like
tear.
when I sit here like this, you can't see it, and when I'm
Right.
standing, you can't see it. But there might be some angles, or someone will look at
Excuse me.
Can
You'd
see-
flies down. No.
yeah.
Permanently ripped.
so
Wow.
other than
So
that,
what does that do to your feelings today?
yeah, no, it's thrown me off a little bit. It's definitely thrown a curveball at me. But I think I have because I've got my whole wardrobe in my car. I don't really clean my car that often,
Amazing.
so I'll probably just have a pants change after the show.
Okay.
Great. But easy access for the toilet.
Yeah, wow.
You know, hey,
So-
let's be real here.
Yeah,
Who wants to take everything off and just go, there it is. Start.
I like that noise. That's...
There
I
it is.
didn't.
There it is. There it is. Hey, Phoenix.
But I got
There it is.
I bought a coffee on the way in because there's a drive-through coffee place on Western Hills.
Yes, no, I
Yeah,
see
no,
that.
yeah, thanks for
One
it.
coffee.
Yeah, thanks so much.
Well, I thought if I buy 3, I'd be late because it takes
Okay.
a while.
Oh,
So I was
wow.
like, I'll just get one. That's fast.
I love that. I think it's
Yeah.
great. What did you get? What
I just got flat white.
You just pull in.
Yeah,
Literally.
you literally. So on the side of Western Hills Drive, I know. So if you're listening, side of Western Hills Drive, there's that like little. It's like a truck, one of those
Oh,
like
yes.
mobile trucks
by the schools.
called the 2 Sisters or the 3 Sisters. Yeah, across where Boys High is.
Yeah.
You pull into that little like inlet thing, drive up to the thing, one flat white, please. You're like, cool, boom, drive out.
Oh,
I
beautiful.
love that.
Yeah.
I need to get
But usually
out.
when I drive past, there's like 3 or 4 cars there.
Yeah.
So I never stop. But today there was no cars. I was driving past and I was like, no cars. And I quickly,
I
whack.
love that. I love how Marcy's like,
What?
I really need to stop by there. You don't even drink coffee.
Look,
I really need to
I-
try it.
It's the salesman in here. Yeah.
Some say people that drink coffee and like when you're driving or when you have a coffee cup, you sort of look
Yeah,
sophisticated.
it's like,
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
From Ponsonby.
But you know what the trick is. So like so if I wear like hoodie, like really stereotypical clothes,
Mm.
if I wear that, like you look like stereotype.
Mm.
But if you put on a pair of glasses like Luke's wearing, and you hold this coffee in the
Yes.
same outfit, you're now entrepreneur.
Ah.
You're like,
You're
is
now-
that guy that owns Google?
Exactly. You're now mogul. That's mogul. Yeah.
I'm
So
gonna, I think
You are
Thank you,
right.
you're right. Yes, thank you. I get it all the time.
Hard out. You can wear scuffs and socks.
yeah, exactly.
Put some glasses
Glasses
on,
on,
coffee.
Coffee.
Boom.
Entrepreneur.
Or just
You
like-
own, you own houses.
Carry
exactly.
a MacBook
Yeah,
by
yeah,
itself.
yeah.
Like, No laptop bag, just in your hand.
It's very Ponsonby.
Yeah, yeah.
It's that,
Owns
very that
their
look
own,
because
yeah.
you go to Ponsonby, you see those people all the time,
We'll do a demo of it one day.
stereotype.
but they all own like
Yeah.
franchises.
Yeah,
or-
we'll do a demo of it one day. Like one day I'll come in here with jeans and a black hoodie on without those two accessories and you'll see, oh, he robs houses.
Yeah.
And then
Whoa, just woke up.
yeah, and then blue light glasses with the clear lenses, coffee, boom.
We should put it on our
Entrepreneur.
Instagram before, like just in that outfit, but then put a coffee in it and
Yeah.
go capture this or
Yeah.
something.
I know, I
That'd be
like
quite cool.
That's good.
Yeah.
Morena. Got a new viewer.
More
new
than that,
commenter.
more than that.
Morena.
Yeah, so anyway, what's coming up on the show today, Marcia?
Well, that's a great question, Iti Phoenix.
Iti Phoenix.
We've got, of course, our Wahanga Makau, Iti Tikupu, Meana Koe, and we're checking out our headlines for this
right.
week, which we've got a lot of. So, kia ora tonu mai mō tērā.
Yep.
But right now, Mr. Weatherman, are
That's
you
right.
ready?
I am ready. We're going to cross live now to the weather right here in Te Whanga Ore Pai.
Kohi, kohi ngā kūtai.
It is
We're all about
currently
that three-part
14
multi-town.
points. Yes, that's right. Let's do it again.
No!
Right here in Te Whanga Ore Pai.
Kohi, kohi ngā kūtai.
See, it's just so good. It's currently 14.9 degrees here in Whangarei and a high of 29 degrees today, guys.
29.
Wow.
29, which we all know if it's 29 and it says that, it's taken from the airport, which means it's going to be about 31 degrees.
Kia ora.
It is going to be what?
Moist.
It is sweaty tongue moist today, and it is a high of 93% humidity, which means you are going to be
Damn.
sweaty
Yes.
tongue.
Yesterday was
sauna.
hot, eh?
Hot yesterday.
It was hot.
Yeah,
Hey.
and it's just going up and up and up. So 29 degrees today, light winds, sea breezes, sunsets at 8:41 p.m.
Ah,
Also, if you're
8:41.
going out fishing on the Onerahi Wharf, can you not? Because, like, us swimmers want to swim, and I know I could go swim while they're fishing, but, you know,
But you don't
it's
want to be
being respectful. And
Yeah.
it's
Oh,
like,
yeah, because you
I don't
jump in
wanna
and
jump
the
in,
fish-
yeah.
Oh.
just you
But,
go
like,
there, do bombs
every
while they're trying
time-
to fish.
fishing.
Yeah.
Bro.
You should just walk up and go, excuse me.
You've had enough, okay? It's enough fish.
Yeah,
Go home.
yeah, actually.
It's a
Do they?
vibe.
What do they catch there? Do you know? Like, do they actually catch?
Sprats.
Yeah, that's what I
There's-
thought too.
Oh, well, there's only one time where I seen this, one of this guy, maybe that was like a year ago, and he was catching snapper, like
Wow.
big as, I don't know what he was doing, but everybody around him wasn't catching anything, but he was giving it out. Like, he caught his chili bin load,
Oh, wow.
and then the next ones he's just like, here bro, here bro, here bro.
Imagine,
that's
imagine
cool.
being there and he's doing that, and you ain't catching anything. I'll be like,
Yeah.
I need to talk to you because what's going on? Meko maui koe.
yeah.
need to
What if you
cut
got
your
on
line.
on your hook?
Yeah, did you punch your nose and got
Yeah.
the blood on the hook?
Hey, kauaia muriranga whenua. That's what he had.
Actual.
Ki ngā tai o whangarei. Low tide was at 3:30 this morning. Next high tide will be at 10 o'clock this morning as well.
Oh,
And
jealous.
like you're talking about the sun and the
Oh,
moon
yeah.
and Rako
You
Nui and
saw
all
it,
that.
Right.
On the way here, moon.
Yes.
The moon is full. And it was like 6 o'clock.
Yeah,
That's
it's fuzzy,
cool.
eh? Where it sits at night time at Rako Nui, it just beams straight into our window. I'm sure it's like that for everyone
Yeah.
that sits in the same place for everyone. But the way our window's facing, it's
Mm.
like street light, street light, straight into our eyes. We're like, oh.
Wow.
No, it doesn't
Anyway,
sit that way. but
speaking
that's-
of,
you're lucky.
speaking of Rako Nui and the Maramataka, time to look at our,
Oh, yes.
well, tō koutou tino
Sexy voice.
wahanga, kia nei
Oh,
ko
yes.
sexy Maramataka.
Oh, sorry. Are you ready now?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh,
Kei te rite. That was my intro.
I was
laugh.
not expecting that. Okay, that was really good.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I'm really sorry.
Caught him off guard. Tēnā tō tātou. Ko hoki tātou ki tēnei wahanga e kia nei ko sexy Maramataka. I nā pō i haere i roto i te ngahere. I mātai atu ki te mārama kōrera atu ki aia. E aha te wahanga o tēnei mārama. I mea mai ki au. Kia ora e ha. Ko rākau mātohi. te wahanga o tēnei marama, te ingoa o tēnei wahanga ko rākau matuhi. He rā pai ki te hi ika, e hara ko te hi tuna. E hea kē ngā kākano, kia tupu ai.
Wairuao te aroha e.
Rākau matuhi.
Oh.
You know who I miss on those?
Yourself?
Nah,
Rākau matu.
Rakoma.
there's a couple of our listeners that was their favourite.
Yeah,
I
Sarah
haven't seen
Kay.
Sarah Kay.
Kei
you
hea
know.
rā koe.
Kei hea
Hey,
rā.
what's happening?
Kei hea rā koe.
Is it
E
new
te
like
Sarah Kay.
2020 you, is it?
Mm.
I think 'cause she's a he kaiako. No reira,
sleeping in.
Oh,
when
so-
we went on holiday, she's probably still on holiday.
Yeah, no, she still will be. They don't start back till usually after Waitangi Day.
She's sleeping.
Yeah,
in. Good
true.
on her. Good on her.
And those who do start back sort of just holiday until after Waitangi Day.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Class,
I'm
we're watching Encanto
we're learning about different cultures. We're learning
Actual-
about Encanto.
and mental health.
Yeah,
That's right.
Yeah, true. If you haven't seen Encanto whānau, go watch it. It's a beautiful movie.
Very shortly, it's here. We were going to kick off with our Spin the Wheel Te Wira, who will decide what Eare Mara game we will be playing today. No reira ki au tonu mai. Heoi anō tūtahi, here is a jam. It's You Will Know, Black Men United. Eare Mara, it's Marcy and Luke and Phoenix. Ngā Tihine FM.
When I was a young boy, I had vision of fame. They were wild and they were free. They were blessed with my name.
And then I grew older, and I saw what's to see. That the world is full of pain, and my dreams they left me.
And then I got stronger inside of the pain.
That's when I picked up pieces, and I regained my name.
And I fought hard, y'all, to carve out my place. And right now, you look at me, and it don't seem in vain.
Your dreams ain't easy, but just stick by your place. Go from boy to man, you gotta act like a man. When it gets hard, dog, God would just know. In my background, sir.
You will know.
And I know you're crying, cause it's on in this pain. And the things you want, you can't have. They're just going away. But life ain't over. Ooh.
Just grab the wind and make amends, and the power will take you far.
Your dreams ain't easy.
Here's my young man.
Go from boy to man. I know it ain't easy.
It gets hard sometimes. Yes, it does. Stand up tall, don't you fall, and you will know.
He mea tautoko na te manga.
Kai pāho.
Iwa te kauma iwa ira ono ki whāngarei nei. Iwa te kauma iwa ira tahi tuatu I hikurangi. Morena e te iwi, it's E Ara E Mana with Luke, Marcia and Phoenix.
Kia ora.
ora.
Kia ora e te iwi. That's right. You're here with the crew. E ara e mara. And speaking of e ara e mara. Oh, Sarah Kate, we were just talking about you.
She
Sarah,
knows.
You know it. You heard us. You heard us talking about you. Hey, or did you message?
No.
We were just talking about you because we haven't seen you since we started back doing Sexy Maramataka, and we're like, "Where's Sarah Kate?"
she loves
that one.
Hina.
Yeah.
No, she didn't reply, but there she is.
But there
Morena,
she
Sarah
is.
Kay.
Nō reire te iwi, kua tai tātou ki tēnei wahanga e kia nei ko...
E Ara E Mana!
Hey. All right, it's here. We're going to spin the wheel, Te Wira, to find out what our game is today. Ready?
Yep.
Te Wira. 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 I've been everywhere.
Ah, yes! Oh, I like this one.
I'm terrible with it.
Good. All right, here we go. I've been everywhere. I've been to Taupo,
Pote Pote.
Tauranga,
Napier,
Dunedin.
Kokatu.
Haratonga. Kokatu. Kokatu.
Have you been? It's on West Coast.
Yeah.
What's it called?
Kokatu.
Yeah. Keep talking about it.
It's on the West Coast. It's like Koketu was a tupuna from Natskuri.
On the West, yeah.
On the West
I
Coast.
actually would believe this if I was
Yeah,
listening. I'm
yeah.
like,
I
oh.
believe in
And
that.
then
He wouldn't make this up.
Yeah,
No,
nah,
never.
Kokatu,
You would
so
never do that.
Koketsu, a good place to like get pippies and
Especially when your
toheroa.
nanny's listening.
Toheroa, yeah.
Kia ora. All right.
Koketsu.
Koketsu.
Koketu.
Koketsu.
Oh,
Not to be confused with cockatoo.
or koketu.
Yeah, or kokutus. It's koketsu.
Koketsu.
Oh,
Come on.
wow.
Bye, Tina.
Why
Round
don't
one.
you start this
Okay,
round?
I'll start. Koketsu.
Okay.
So if you need some toheroas, koketsu. Here we go. I've been everywhere. I've been to Otangare.
Whakapara.
Whangarei.
Kamo.
Whangaruru.
Tauranga.
Tikipunga.
Potaika.
Raumanga.
Whangarei pai.
Hora hora.
Portland.
Oneraki.
Ah.
Whangarei pai.
Whangara.
I was like, I'm going to buy, swap and sell.
Yeah. Whangarei pai if you want an invisible jacket.
Yeah.
Oh, man. All right, here we go.
I think
Nah,
it's because you spoke out that you're not good at this.
Yeah,
that
I
it's
put it
actually-
into the universe. I actually really love this game. Great at it.
Yes.
It's just
Here
really
you go. You
fast.
see,
You
we
are.
just
Here
got
we
to
go.
change up here.
Yeah, we
Here
got
we
this
go.
is all mentality, bringing good vibes. Here we go. I'm going to win this one. I've been everywhere. I've been to Tairawhiti,
Kapiti.
Oamaru.
Kapiti,
Porirua.
Tikuiti.
Kawero,
Wellington.
Te awa mutu.
Kaikohe,
Kai Kora.
Tauranga.
Kaiko.
Dunedin.
Taipa. Oh my gosh.
Oh, this game.
You've been where I've been.
Yeah. Yeah, we always travel together. That's,
Oh,
that's
you
why
made
this game
out
is.
of it.
You funny fella.
One more for the rain.
Okay.
Okay.
Kick it up.
I've been everywhere. I've been to Auckland,
Tasmania,
Oklahoma.
Tauranga,
Sydney,
Onerahi.
Paris,
Kaitai,
Hauhora.
Texas,
Mitsi,
Te Kao.
Rotorua,
Hirekino,
Kawakawa.
Te Aroha,
Oirewa,
Pipiwai.
Mata Mata,
Moirewa,
Porirua.
O Taika,
Oh Hawaii,
Bulls.
Kawakawa.
Gavagavu,
That place I haven't heard of. though.
where is it?
Gargamel,
Gargamel.
Gargamel's house. Yeah. Oh, bro.
I haven't been
You
there.
haven't been to
That was
Gargamel?
really
Nah.
good. It was really good.
Only Papa has been there.
I was I was trying to like, all right, just hear this and then think of somewhere close.
Gargamel's house.
Gargamel's
He's
house.
close.
Close to Kawakawa.
Oh.
Right, that's
That
out.
was
I think
good.
we're awake.
I
I
think
think we're
we're
awake.
awake.
Out
Yeah,
there,
yeah,
brother.
me
If
too.
you're not awake, then give that game a go, especially with your siblings or your whānau. It's a crack up.
It is.
Be as cutthroat as we are. in the next couple of minutes, we're going to check out topical news.
Yes.
Before that, well, there's a comment actually before that I just want to read real quick from Sarah K. Said, I've been missing you guys every morning. First F45 session, paki to that. I've been missing you guys every morning. I woke twice, missing the show, but watched the live after.
Oh,
Kia ora.
amazing. So that's right. If you
Mihiana.
do miss the show on live or on the radio, you can watch us again on E Ara E Mara or Ngāti Hine FM or Nifa Creative.
Yeah,
Kia ora.
exactly. And catch up on it. And also, yes, it usually is Pie Day, but New Year, new us. So we try not to eat pies so often.
And we're actually going to put a poll out there.
Mm.
Even though it's New Year, New Us, 2020 you, we're thinking of eating donuts.
What do you think?
Like, you
doing
got to
the
have your
rounds.
go-to pie, and I reckon people have their go-to donut. Or is
Yeah,
that a
right.
thing?
Yeah, I
What's the
think so.
go-to thing?
Oh, no, I'm a goer. If I'm going to eat them, I'm going for a donut.
Yeah. Man,
Yeah, you're going to eat them.
cream donuts, like.
And they all different. They all vary.
Yeah, I
Do
don't
you
like
mock?
ones.
Do you mock cream?
Nah.
Oh.
You do. You better get out.
As we were kids, we used to have mock cream donuts from, I think it was the Ortaika shops before we would catch the bus. Like you get off and you get it. Oh, it was so good. Or Grandma would bring out, she used to bring us everything on a Friday. It was McDonald's, KFC, donuts.
Oh,
With
nice.
mock.
But
Nah.
I would have a fresh cream one. Absolutely.
I don't. The one
Absolute.
you go to a bakery and you get one a donut and it's like here, tough the bread. You know,
Yeah.
Oh, no.
it's
Yes.
not like
no.
soft.
Doesn't.
Yeah.
See? Yes.
Melt in your
Mock
mouth.
cream or Ortaika dairy. Yes.
No,
Such a
Frana. Who's Frana? Get off.
Frana.
Alright.
Yeah. Anyway, whānau kua hoki tātou ki te mito te rohe. We have
Ooh.
get up.
Ooh.
Stand up.
Here's all the donuts coming.
Ooh, skips.
Skips.
Okay.
Hey, fish and chips is a good thing to go for
Actually,
too.
yes.
Oh yeah.
The best
That's,
donuts Wakara.
The chip advisor.
Oh, there's a chip advisor?
Yeah.
Yes.
One of the bros is doing it. I can't remember who's doing
Ah.
it. Someone's doing it. They've got it's called Chip Advisor on Instagram, and they were like testing fish and chips, and they were
Yes, there's
like
always different.
crunchiness and
Yes.
all of those sort
Well,
of
I know
things.
the best chips in New Zealand is in Kawakawa. Or the best value for money. You get like
Oh, yes, we went
Oh,
past it. It looks
huge amount of chips.
less
And
money.
apparently you go there and you have chips and fish, not fish and chips.
Oh,
good.
Good.
You know what is an unheard of thing these days? It's a very rare delicacy. Is crinkle cut chips.
Oh,
It's really
like the
hard to
crinkle
find
ones.
them.
Yeah. No, you don't anymore. Eh?
Yeah. Oh, best pie that Sarah Kay has tried is best pie so far is smoked brisket pie from Itty Bitty Bakery, Kaikoura. Wow, that's
Ah, that
fantastic because
sounds
Marcy and I are going to Kaikoura
Yes.
in a few months' time.
Nice.
that's a go.
Hopefully we can have a Kona pie.
Yeah.
actual
Anybody
kai
done that?
Dakota pie.
Or a whale.
Kona.
And on that note,
We digress.
Push the
Push
button.
the button.
On that note, we're hungry.
Actual.
Wednesday. Okay, we're gonna bring it. Best donuts out.
Ngāti NFM.
Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Preacher man, don't tell me heaven is under the earth. I know you don't know what life is really worth. It's not all that glitter is gold. Half the story had never been told. So now you see the light. Hey, stand up for your right. Come on, get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Most people think great God will come from the sky, take away everything and make everybody feel high. But if you know what life is worth, you would look for yours on earth. And now you see the light. stand up for your right. Lord, Lord, get up, stand up, keep us traveling on. Don't give up the fight. Yeah. You're sick and tired of your ism, schism, game, dying to go to heaven in Jesus' name, Lord. We know and we understand. Almighty God is a living man. You can fool some people sometimes, but you can't fool all the people all the time. So now we see the light. We gonna stand up for our rights. Yeah. So you better get up, stand up in the morning. Give it up, stand up for your rights. Stand up right now. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Don't give it up, don't give it up. Get up, stand up. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right. Get up, stand up. Get up, stand up. Don't give up the fight. Get up, stand up. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your right.
I ngā wā o mua, days of old.
In the days of our tupuna, when they died, if the wife didn't kill herself, she married the next brother. And the brother might already have 2 or 3 wives, but you marry the next brother. Why? Nobody will look after your children better than your sister. If I go and take a woman from outside, I'm the poaru, and I take another woman, she will never treat those children the way she treats our children. While a sister will. Because blood will cry for blood. You marry the next sister or the next brother. So, when you talk about incest and genetics, who did our tupuna marry? Who did we marry up until recently? Hawaii. Whenua he wahine ngaro ai te tangata. Land and women, men will die. See? When you marry your brother or your sister, so that if you quarrel, it's able to be controlled. If you marry someone from outside the tribe or outside the village, you involve a squabble with that tribe.
Days of old. I ngā wā o mua.
We are navigating a lot of changes here in Te Tai Tokerau, and for some of us, our lives are much busier these days, and it shows on the roads. So Waka Kotahi is reviewing the riskiest speed limits in Aotearoa. Around 600 people are killed or seriously injured in speed-related crashes on our roads in Aotearoa each year. Let's aim for zero, with Waka Kotahi committed to keeping us safe. Go to www.nzta.govt.nz to find out more and take care on the roads.
Wananga.ac.nz Te Whare Wānanga o Awanuiarangi offers a teaching degree so you can lead and inspire the next generation. The Bachelor of Education at Awanuiarangi allows you to help nurture and develop tamari.
It's in my hand. Heading out? Remember,